Welcome everyone. Want to build apps inside Atlassian tools like Jira or Confluence? So let's set up a Forge step by step. So Forge is a platform from Atlassian that lets you build apps directly inside tools like Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, and more. So for before installing Forge, so make sure your laptop have a Node.js. So if it's not there, so we'll start with Node.js download. I'm downloading Node.js now. So here I'm taking latest unstable 22 version of Node.js. So it's taking some time to download, and now you have to click on open file. So yeah, now it's installing, and click on next and accept this terms and conditions license agreement, and click on next and automatically install necessary tools and install. Yeah, and so you will get one pop-up screen like I want to allow this app make to change to your device. So at that time just click on S. It's taking some time. So meanwhile we'll also start downloading Visual Studio Code. So this is basically to it's a this tool will give a good environment to develop your Forge app. So that's why I'm just installing this one. I have clicked on there. So I'm using Windows 11. So that's why I'm choosing all Windows options. So it's taking some time before we'll see how. Okay, Node.js has been installed successfully, and press any key to enter. Continue. So that's all, and close this pop-up, and we'll see our Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Okay, this download part is done, and we'll open this one. Okay, have clicked twice. Okay, accept this agreement, and next, and click on next and choose by default additional options here, and next, and install. So it will take some time to download. So meanwhile we'll open Forge, getting started with Forge article. So this is one of the Atlassian official documentation. So here's some steps are there how to set up Node.js. You can see here for Mac, for Linux, and for Windows. So for Mac, users choose Mac, and for Linux choose Linux. So when I'm doing it on Windows, so I'm choosing Windows. And once you will download JS, so here also there is a hyperlink. Once you will click in, it will take you to the Node.js download site here. You can choose it here, or you can search it over internet also. And next, once it will install all the packages, later you have to follow these steps. So this one we have to ignore it, and this one from here we have to start. So how much progress completed here? Okay, it's in progress still. We'll wait for some time to finish this Visual Studio Code installation. And finish it. Now it's auto open Visual Studio Code, and I'm taking terminal here. You can take a terminal from your Windows also. From here, once you will type command prompt also, and you can access same terminal from here also. I'm choosing command prompt, so it's command prompt. You can use PowerShell also. So I'm just checking whether Node.js is successfully installed or not. So npm is a node package manager version. It's given version. And next, so from here, from getting started here, all commands are there, and it's easy to copy and paste it in your terminal. So this is one of the dependency to install Forge, so that's why I just check this one. Also, it will take some time to install Forge. So it's doing some packages for depreciated warning. Yeah, it's taking some more time. Let's wait. So meanwhile, I'll explain what is Forge. Like Forge, with the help of Forge, you can extend the capabilities or functionalities of your Atlassian tools like Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Compass, and Robo Agent. So with the help of this Forge, you can build your own Robo agents also by using this code, this Forge. So in during Forge app development, so mainly you should be aware of coding like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. So this is one framework. So these all four topics you should be aware of. Like at least once you'll see that command lines. Okay, this is from HTML, this is from CSS, this is from JavaScript, and this is from React.js. You should be able to identify. So then, with the help of AI, if you will just give us some prompt in a natural language, so and so app I want to build it, so AI will build it, will give the script, and so when you will see here, you can see some AI option is there. Once you open chart, once you will ask here, so it will auto update the code also, but you should understand the code changes, like what's going wrong, what's went right. So if everything working is fine, when something is wrong, AI is updating the code as per that, and it's giving so many things, but you don't need unnecessary lines sometimes. That time, if you have a awareness about coding all the things like identifying the command line, will be helpful to troubleshoot the issue with the help of AI and all the things. So that's why you just need a basic awareness about this. Okay, let me check. Still, it is. Hmm. In our next video, so this video will be completely setting up the Forge environment in your laptop. And next video, I'll show you a small demo about Forge Hello World app, how we can build it. So we'll show you in the later videos. So yeah, it's downloaded, and if you want to follow, you can follow these instructions. You can directly log into the Forge also. So this is Forge. We'll check the version of Forge firstly. You can see it's 12.18.0. I think this message is for npm, not for Forge. Anyway, so that's it, and we have to click on to enter Forge login. So here it will ask yes or no. Have to click yes, enter, and start typing your email address. Okay, will give enter, and then you have to give your API token. Firstly, you have to create a free Jira site. So from there, Atlassian.com. Once you click it, security key, and create manage API token. Will send you an email. 7. Verify, and then create API token. Forge training, Forge demo. Anyway, I'll not use this API for longer days, so I'm just creating it. I'm not setting any expire date more. This copy and paste, enter. You have logged in successfully. From here, you have to you have to type a command. Here it's suggesting you Forge create to start creating your new app. So that's all about Forge setup, environment setup. So now your Forge app setup is completed. So you are ready to build your first app. So follow the channel so you don't miss out any new updates regarding upcoming videos. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.